Hi everyone, my name is Aaliyah Sims. Some people call me Leah for short. Um, Either is fine, whichever you prefer. I am excited to get this class started with you guys. Good luck, everybody. This is my family. This here is my dog Creed. He's still a puppy, only 1.5 years old. This is my boyfriend Tyler, or Dad. This is Tyler Jr. This is Tyseer, and this is Amari down here. We live in Columbia, PA, go Tide, and we love to travel. This was the Museum of Atlanta. It was so much fun. If you're in Atlanta, I promise it is a place that you want to see. It's a great place to take your kids. Um, we play and watch sports. Go Giants, although Dad won't agree. We love going out to eat, and we play rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and take pinky promises very seriously in this house. I like to do many things. I like taking new adventures, traveling to new places. Education is very important to me. I see myself as fearless because I like to try things that are scary. Fall is my favorite season. I love to cook. I love all holidays, and I love playing co-ed softball. This was me in high school, but now I play on a co-ed softball team in Lancaster. My small business, Love by Leah. I took my creativity and made a small business. Quality gifts at your budget for any occasion, including no occasion at all. Just remember to support your small business, pay full prices, follow, like, and comment, refer them, cheer them on, share, repost, retweet, and respect their time. I love what I do on the side. Maybe if you get a chance to get on and order with me, that would be great. Just a little bit about my education and experience. I graduated from Columbia Junior Senior High School in 2015. I worked for STS until college. My schedules didn't line up, so unfortunately I had to quit. Um, but I am expected to graduate hack after this semester. Woo woo, I'm almost there. Um, Graduate from the early childhood education program, of course. And now I'm currently an aftercare teacher and also a substitute for Montessori Academy of Lancaster. I'm sure by now we all know what Montessori is, who she is, and a sense of kind of how the schools are ran. And it is a great experience, even if you just get to stop in and see if it's something for you. But if you're looking for a job, we're looking for great people. I highly recommend you calling and checking the school out. But yeah, that's just a little bit about me. Good luck this semester.